Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Outlook email to your Apple Calendar. Let's begin. First, make sure you're already signed in to your Outlook app and your account is active. Now, to sync your Outlook calendar with the Apple Calendar app, head over to your iPhone settings. Scroll down until you see Calendar and tap on it. Inside the Calendar settings, tap on Accounts. Here, you'll see all the accounts that are currently connected to your iPhone, like iCloud, Gmail, or others. Now, to add your Outlook calendar, tap on Add Account. From the list, choose Outlook.com. You'll then be asked to sign in with your Microsoft or Outlook email and password. Once you're logged in, make sure that the calendar toggle is turned on. This will allow your Outlook events and meetings to sync automatically with your Apple Calendar app. You can also choose how often your iPhone updates this calendar. Tap on Fetch New Data, and here you can set it to manual, hourly, or automatically, depending on your preference. That's it. Now all of your Outlook calendar events will appear directly in your Apple Calendar. Super easy and convenient, especially if you use Outlook for work or school. Thank you for watching.